This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 20.19.12. Learners can now see submission file sizes in the submission receipt email. This feature implements PI item D5253. When your learners review a submission confirmation email, the file size now displays. A new column displays the submission ID on the View Feedback page for learners in Assignments. Now, when learners navigate to View Feedback, a new column displays identifying the submission ID. You can now specify sort options for HTML templates in Content. From Content, click Settings. Navigate to Content Authoring. To change the sort order from Directory Structure to alphanumeric, click Sort HTML Template by Name. The New Assignment option in the Upload Create menu in Content has moved. Assignments now appears above New Checklist, placing it in alphabetical order. Grades are now fully synchronized in Assignments and Discussions regardless of the import method. This expands upon recent grade synchronization updates for Assignments and Discussions. This feature implements PI items D3610 and D391. New toast messages appear to learners when new content is released to them through release conditions. Release condition menus have been reordered. Both the View Conditions For and Condition Type menus display tools in alphabetical order. We're looking to hear about the type of video content you'd like to see. Drop us a comment to let us know. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe.